Welcome to my channel for NEET biology classes, and today we shall discuss the part 2 of algae and a very small chapter, the plant kingdoms and its parts, the algae. We are describing step by step. You should note properly, take note that all the points we shall cover, and we can prepare properly so that all the examinations, all the competitive examinations we can complete. So let's start today the chlorophyta. Very small video is here and you have to take proper note so that you can answer every questions from chlorophyta. No, nothing is lag behind. So let's start the algae, the chlorophyta. Chlorophyta, that means the algae is a primitive class where the very minute traits are there. That chlorophyta contains chlorophyll. The name implies that chlorophyta. What are the important features? The chlorophyta contain the chlorophyll. So why the name is chlorophyta? It contains the chlorophyll pigments. What are the features now? Mostly the freshwater and marine. They are mostly fresh. Some are very few are marine members. Now the unicellular, colonial or multicellular form is there. All three forms: unicellular, colonial or multicellular. As you know, the unicellular is Chlamydomonas. Colonial type is also there and multicellular type is also there, Spirogyra. Now all the eukaryotes, all are eukaryotic structure. They have a specialized nucleus, specialized nucleus structure. All the cell organelles are there, and cell organelles are the bounded. That is, they are covered with membranous cell. That the cell organelles have membranes. So why the name is eukaryotic? And inner wall is composed of cellulose and outer wall is pectose. That is, cellulose and pectin made. Inner wall is composed of cellulose. Cellulose is inner wall, microfibrils made, and outer wall is pectin made. This is the carbohydrate made. So cell wall is made up of all carbohydrate type. In this case, chloroplast with pyrenoid. The chloroplast is a specialized structure. Here the Chlamydomonas structure. Here the structure of Chlamydomonas, a body where this one is cytoplasmic part, this one is cytoplasmic part, this one is chloroplast part, and it has a pyrenoid body. And pyrenoid is a starch made and protein and starch made structure present in a chloroplast region. This one is chloroplast region. This region is chloroplast. So the chloroplast region is there, and this one is pyrenoid, is the disc like structure present. So the pyrenoid body is present, and it has the two flagella. That is the for movement and swimming. Now true nucleus with organelle. I have mentioned the pigments. The chlorophyte, all the chlorophyta division has the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B with carotene and xanthophylls. That carotene and xanthophylls are known as carotenoids. That is, carotene is, I have already mentioned that carotene is a orange pigment and xanthophyll is a yellow pigment, but these orange and yellow pigments are masked by the chlorophyll A and B. So the chlorophyll A, B is dominated, mainly the chlorophyll B overexpressed. So why the green color is developed in this case? Carotene is orange and yellow. Now the algae, protoplast, towards the inner side of the cell wall. Protoplast was present here. The protoplast present inner side of the cell wall, protoplast, and it surrounds the inner vacuole. Some amount of vacuole is there. That is the air bubbles or vacuole. The air space type structure is called vacuole, and vacuole surrounds the cytoplasmic membrane is called as primordial utricle. This is called primordial utricle. Primordial utricle is nothing but suppose this one is a vacuole, and the plasma protoplast that surrounds the vacuole is called primordial vacuole. So if this is a primordial utricle, if this one is vacuole present in the cytoplasm, and the protoplasm that surrounds the vacuole, this one is vacuole, and the protoplasm surrounds the vacuole is called primordial utricle. So this one is very important. Reserve material is of starch type. All of starch type, and reproductive by vegetative sexual and asexual method. Vegetative sexual asexual method means sexual method, isogamy and isogamy, oogamy type, either can be possible. In case of isogamy, isogamy is the same size, and isogamy, as mentioned, that same size, and isogamy is the different size, and oogamy it is a complex type where the male sperm is moving, or male gametes move to the female gamete. Female gamete is lagis and present inside the oogonium. It's called egg or ovum, and the male gamete is called antheridium. It moves towards the male gamete is called antherozoids, that present inside the antheridium, and that antherozoid swims to the egg or ovum present inside the ovonium. oogonium. So this one is very important. So what type of sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction, isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy type of sexual reproduction. Isogamy type of sexual reproduction, Ulothrix, Edogonium. These are isogamous type of. In addition to this, Ulothrix, Edogonium, there is a Spirogera is there. In case of anisogamy, anisogamy is a Caulepra, anisogamy type of reproduction. And in case of oogamy type of Edogonium and Vaucaria. Edogonium and Vaucaria exhibit oogamous type of reproduction. So this one is a reproductive type, that is all vegetative type. Vegetative reproduction in case of Spirogera, we know that in a water current, Spirogera is if their body accidentally breaks down, then each part of the body will develop into new individual. So this is a vegetative type of reproduction, that is by breaking, by tearing, or by any accidental mode. If body is divided into many parts, then each part will be developed into individual organism. Asexual spores are zoospores. Zoospores, here the zoospores are with two flagella or four flagella may be present here. Two flagella have given flagella of two type, Whipplus type and tinsel type. What are the Whipplus type? When flagella have no such hairy structures, it is smooth, it's called Whipplus type. When it is a hairy structure is present, tinsel type. So you have to remember the term Whipplus and tinsel type. However, equal size and smooth is called flagella. So this one is overall algae. So in this case, Chlorophyta. So you have to remember the terms Ulothrix, Edogonium, Spirogera. These are all of isogamous, anisogamy and oogamy. Oogamy is Edogonium and Vaucaria. Oogamous type of reproduction occur. So reserve food matter is starch. Vegetative, asexual, sexual mode of reproduction, unicellular, colonial. These types, carotene, xanthophyll, carotenoids, chlorophyll A, B, these are present. So this one is very simple chapter. So it's thank you.